It's science. Tropicana Toucan Sam. Tropicana Toucan Sam. Sandalwood sycamore salad. Sandalwood sycamore salad. Hoi.
I'm Anna.
I didn't get an actual introduction.
Oh.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. I know some people are feeling a certain way about this particular holiday in our climate, but I've got 4 things that I think everyone can all agree on, and that is barbecues, blockbuster films, Beyonce, and bourbon. I plan to celebrate all 4. I'm gonna throw some dog on the grill, shake my ass to single ladies, watch a Roland Emmerich film, and we're gonna drink some bourbon right now.
Who?
Roland Emmerich. He's like a disaster movie guy, like Independence Day. Deep Impact? Question mark. Anna, what are we drinking?
Old Grandad?
Old Grandad bourbon.
Versions.
I even did a tiny bit of research because I felt like 4th of July, history, yeah. Distillery, established 1840, makes it like 118 years old. Did I do that math right?
I don't know.
No, that's wrong. It's old. It's an old distillery. Currently now part of Jim Beam / Basil Hayden. However, more fun fact of it, Old Grandad, one of the original bourbons allowed during Prohibition as a medicinal reason. Old Grandad's cough syrup.
Yuck.
Yep. So, anywho, what's the proof on that one, Anna?
80?
80. And Old Grandad, 114. Guesses on the proof?
114.
114. So, same juice, different proof. We're going to we're gonna contrast and compare, give you some flavor notes, perhaps talk about the last film we both watched. The latest film we've watched some of, seminal classic, Independence Day, starring Will Smith and
Jeff Goldblum.
yeah, and the president guy, what's his name?
Bill something.
On Independence Day, you've seen it enough times, Fingers.
I like Independence Day. It's like a 7.
7?
Mm-hmm.
She's out of her mind. It is a strong 8.
Okay.
For reasons. The special effects are just
You said that last night too.
chef's kiss. Bourbon. Let's start with Old Grandad.
Regular.
Regular. It smells sweet.
Burny. There's some burn.
It is burny for the 80. I also taste corn.
They get more vanilla than caramel.
Vanilla.
It's weird.
For the price and proof, you know, the double P standard you should always use when buying bourbon. Price and proof. Not bad.
It's fine.
Yeah. Gotta crank it up a notch. Sure, why not? I'm gonna wet my whistle. I didn't know that was gonna be sparkling
What did you
and
think?
I thought it was water.
No. Ew.
I wasn't expecting it, and it was like licking a battery. This one is especially dangerous. Could you smell it? It's not that proofy.
This one has a stronger smell. Why? Why?
It's science.
This is more subtle.
It's just everything cranked up, except the burns on the front of this, and this one lingers on the back of your palate.
I'm confused.
Can you tell the difference?
Yeah, there's like the smell in the original or whatever is stronger than this one. Taste wise, still more subtle, like those flavors. The caramel and the vanilla, if that's what they really are. That's what I get. I don't really know what else to call it. But there's like it's very burny. It makes me burn.
I feel like this one opens up with water, because it feels like it's stronger, but everything's compact. I don't know how to explain that. Like I can taste there's things happening, but it's like, This one also has, it's important to illustrate. Some people are only like, they're audio listeners. Well, that's the only way to listen.
Learners?
Yeah, that guy, I guess, whatever. This one has a substantially thicker mouthfeel. Between the two, give me a favorite. Which one would you lean towards?
The original. Only because this one is far more burny, and this one is more flavorful. And I don't know what it's like with just water.
The 114, one of my absolute favorite bourbons that I've had. There's also 100 proof. I think it's a bottle and bond option. Also, pretty good. And I know what you're all thinking. Why didn't you guys do actual fingers? That's a beautiful question. And it's because we're gonna blend them. What's 80 plus 14? Well, that's not the right answer, but I appreciate you chiming in.
Thanks, Cece.
194. What's 194 divided by 2? 97?
Hold on.
97 proof. Well, that's weird.
Obviously, they were not equal ratios. Let me know, because I get all of this in mine.
I got like pure peanut dust. In a good way.
I don't like it. Ugh.
Overall, 4th of July, Old Grandad Bourbon Experience. Fingers, you would say, go.
7.5.
You know what? 8.
Okay. 2 thumbs up.
Yeah. In honor of the 4th of July, Independence Day, also Monday, what are some parting words that you would give our watchers and listeners?
I have none.
Really?
No.
I would say, don't be afraid to be yourself. Even in a vast sea of multiverses, there's only one you, and that you is unique. And that is pretty cool.